Let us learn about some more keys on a keyboard. Caps Lock key. We use the Caps Lock key to type capital letters. Let us understand about it by following these steps. First, start typing. The letters will appear in small letters. Second, press the Caps Lock once. Third, the Caps Lock light glows on the keyboard. This shows that the Caps Lock is on. Fourth, continue typing. All the letters will now appear in capitals. Fifth, press the Caps Lock once again. The Caps Lock light switches off. This shows that the Caps Lock is off. Seventh, continue to type. The letters will now appear in small letters. Shift key. We use the Shift key in combination with some other keys. There are some keys with 2 characters on them, such as OR. When you press, you get 8 on the monitor. To type the character, first, press and hold the Shift key. Second, press the. You will get the upper character on the monitor. Third, release both the keys together. We also use the Shift key to type capital letters. Without Shift key, A. With Shift key, capital A. Cursor control keys. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor that shows the position of the next letter or number to be entered. The cursor control keys, also called arrow keys, are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. The arrows marked on the keys show the direction in which the cursor moves when those keys are pressed. Up, down, right, left. Num-lock key. If you want to use the numeric keypad on the right side of keyboard, the num-lock key should be on. The num-lock key and the numeric keyboard on right side are shown here. Tab key. The Tab key is present on the left side of the keyboard. It moves the cursor to the right by many spaces. For example, type your first name and then press the Tab key. You will see the cursor move by many spaces. Now type your last name. Escape key. The Escape key or the ESC key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. It is present on the upper left corner of the keyboard. For example, if you have clicked the Start button by mistake, just press Escape key and the menu will disappear. Home and End keys. We use the Home key to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. We use the End key to move the cursor to the end of the line. Windows key or Win key. We use Windows key to open the Start menu.